In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop those persistent iCloud storage full notifications on your device. Whether you're constantly being reminded that your iCloud storage is full, or you simply want to avoid seeing these alerts, follow along as we go through several methods to manage your storage effectively and regain peace of mind. First, let's tackle an essential step: freeing up your iCloud storage. Start by heading to your device's settings. Once there, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings and select iCloud. This is where you'll find the Manage Storage option. Tapping on this will show you a detailed breakdown of how your storage is being used. One of the quickest ways to free up space is by deleting old backups, unused files, or app data cluttering your iCloud. Scroll through your storage data and look for files or backups that are outdated or no longer necessary. Managing photos is also key. Consider moving them to your computer or an external hard drive if they're taking up too much room. Moving on to our second approach, upgrading your iCloud storage plan. This is optional but helpful if you find yourself continually running out of space. Still, within the Manage Storage section, you'll see the option to change storage plan. Here you can choose a higher plan that better suits your data needs. Next up, let's disable iCloud for apps you don't actually use in the cloud. Going back to the iCloud section, review the list of apps utilizing cloud storage. Do you really need WhatsApp or voice memos to be synced to iCloud? Probably not. Toggle off any apps you don't feel need to be stored in the cloud. This helps conserve space for more critical data. Another effective step is to disable iCloud backup if it's unnecessary for you. If you're someone who regularly backs up their device using a computer, you can skip iCloud backups. Navigate back to your iCloud settings and find iCloud backup. Simply turn it off if it's not required, ensuring you're not duplicating efforts between iCloud and your computer. Lastly, once you've made all these adjustments, it's a good idea to reboot your iPhone. Restarting the device helps refresh notifications and ensures that all changes are properly synced across your device. It's as simple as holding the power button and sliding to power off, then turning it back on. And there you have it, straightforward methods to manage your iCloud storage effectively and eliminate those pesky full storage notifications from your phone. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more tips for managing iCloud storage, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.